Alright folks, so today is going to be another experiment in fear. We've got our 18 Silverado with the 5.3 and we're going to upgrade the exhaust. It's got the single in, single out back here. It's just a little 2 3/4 setup. We got our cans here. That goes to the resonator. There's a flapper valve in there as well. The truck sounds pretty good. I'll start it up. Let's see. I've already got it jacked up about as best as I can. Let's see. You know what? Let me see. I think because we're on the incline. As you can see, it's not a very loud exhaust. We're going to try and give it a little bit of beef, so yeah, we'll see what we can do. And I got a kit here. I got chrome tips for the back. The only thing I'm not crazy about is having to cut the old system off. I'm going to try and do my best here to show you what needs to be done. In case you want to do this on your own, I would start with maybe a level surface first off. I don't have that luxury, so I've got to kind of do it as I go. But let's see, here is your cat. You've got to undo this collar here, right there. And what I'll do is, after I put the head pipe and the new muffler on, I'll actually reposition that so that you can get to that. Here's your resonator, which helps with that drone. When you go into V4 mode, now I know a lot of people, they go in and delete that. I'm not going to do that. This truck only has 1,000 miles on it, so I'm not trying to get too crazy. But this is the flapper valve here in question. I'm not going to touch this. I did just, it's warm. So this valve here, this is what opens and closes and gives you that back pressure. And that goes all out to this. Now the problem is it's all welded. So what I may do, and I really don't want to, is I may just cut the muffler itself. Or not the muffler, the head pipe. Because I think it'd be cheaper to get, I don't know. I haven't priced it, but if I ever want to go back, it may be cheaper just to cut it here and then, or right here, so that I could sleeve it at worst case scenario. But that will allow me to, like I said, just, keep it in case. That goes over the axle there, but it's all welded together. There are no clamps under here. Gotta love GM. So what we're going to do is that new kit is actually going to utilize the original suspension points. And I apologize for this camera work. It's kind of tough to see. So there you go. So I'm just going to cut this head pipe here, and of course I'm thinking about this as we're going along, but I'm going to cut that about there so I can sleeve it if need be. And then I'll take this piece out, and then the back I might be able to wiggle out going forward this way. We can save that. So yeah, should be interesting. But the new one will, the new exhaust will go over the axle, out that way, and out that way. So yeah, should be alright. By the way, I have a parking brake on. Use your head when you're doing these things. I'm just working with what I got, so you know, if I get splattered, you know not to do that. I do have wheel chocks up front too. So let me get started on this and show you what it looks like hopefully when it's done.